out of California there. We have the other side paintball, shooting some rentals, getting some HK Army paint out there. Look at Suki, recent Facebook friend right there. Check everything out. And the beautiful Moapa Valley, the cement factory, very iconic smokestack. This is 5 years running, guys, in honor of Nick Miller. It's gonna be a great day of paintball. Shout out to Vegas Brawlers. We've got air and paint there. Always a cool resource, a critical resource to this game. Shout out to you, Tony and Buddy from Vegas Brawlers. We're gonna have a great day.
Say hi. No. There's a Chinaman. Behind, uy! For YouTube, hello YouTube! Stars, future stars of paintball. Hi! Hi everybody! Hey! Hey! Thank you for air! Please subscribe! Hi! Hey, paintball! Hey! Thank you for coming out! Hey, good times! Please subscribe! Paintball!
Okay, we're a big fan of keeping things on time, so if you don't get the information, be a friend, tell a friend, okay? Just a little bit closer this time. We should the speaker, so this is kind of critical though. We've got some new players that just arrived. I expect if you just arrived, you get a full safety drink. Be a friend, tell a friend. Okay, so we are going to make some adjustments to the game because unfortunately we have some guests in this very vast desert decide that right next to us was a perfect place to go.
And we're going to jump right back into the game. Shout out, shooters only, shout out for Moapa 2025. Come on, Doctors running, let's go.
Hey, what's up? I know, it's been a while.
No, you guys did lose that last session. Shout out to Red. Let's go. Come on, Red.
Yeah!
We still got people at the cars. I trust it. I trust you guys are excited. Okay, so we're going to do the dummy version of that as well. I'm going to put these cases out there for retrieval. It's going to get a little complicated, guys.
Hey, this is Tim's paintball. Hi. Hi, support Tim's.
Yeah, all the way from Moapa, Nevada in the West Desert. Let's go. We're giving away the 180R. Anyone wants to host next year, please do, because I'm going to be sitting right here full time. I'm not going to do this anymore. If anyone wants to take the reins, please do. This is the ship.